Good morning, everybody. Dr. Blumenthal back with you here at Natural Transplants here in the Washington, D.C. office. And today we're excited. We have Anthony. Anthony has joined us down from Charlottesville. Welcome, man.
Hey, how you doing?
Good to see you.
Glad to be here.
Yeah, thanks for coming in. Thank you for doing this and sharing your story with everybody. Let everybody know what you're doing here and how you found us, too.
Yeah, absolutely. So it's really difficult to try to find anybody anywhere for any of these procedures.
Yeah.
And I think, when I went online, I think between the Google reviews, Yelp reviews, medical boards, right? You're always kind of hitting the checklist to make sure everybody ticks that box. This place did it. And Dr. Blumenthal did it as well. So I'm just trying to get a bit fuller here as we all age, right?
Yep. Awesome.
Yeah.
And you have incredibly full hair. I do not say that to everybody, but it looks fantastic. I'm just going to zoom in just to kind of get a better look. And we're going to be working a little. This is not priority 1, but priority 2, we kind of say. But we'll have enough. We should be able to finish this. So we're going to be working on the hairline. As you pull it back, it's a little more recession than it looks. He does a very good job of covering it. But his number one priority, believe it or not, is the crown. You can see it's definitely thin there, but he's got extremely good density. The one thing that we chatted about, even though it's fantastic to have good full hair behind it, the transplanted area is not going to match the native haired area. Hopefully it's close enough that one procedure is enough, but that's where that second coat may come into play. But that's down the road. Hopefully one's enough, and that's the goal. All right, excellent. Yeah. So we'll draw everything out, and then we'll come back and check on you a little later. Sound good?
Sounds great.
Awesome. All right, we are back with Anthony, and as you can tell, we have drawn out our line. Again, we didn't want to be too aggressive, nice and subtle, youthful, but not overly aggressive with it. I think it's a nice line on him. So we're going to do about maybe a finger or so and really try to pack it in. And again, priority number 1, though, is the crown. So we drew out the crown. It's a decent sized area, but he's got great density, so it shouldn't be an issue. And this is where the strip's going to be. All right. Got a couple of Valium on board. You feeling all right?
Feeling great.
All right, cool. We'll check in with you a little bit. Okay?
Sounds good.
Awesome. All right, Anthony, we are rounding the corner. How you feeling, man?
Feel great.
Doing all right?
Yeah.
Great. We had a little bit of lunch, watched a really long movie, and Ron is just finishing up maybe about 10 more minutes. You in any pain or any discomfort at all?
No. I feel great.
Awesome.
Yeah.
We'll see you in a little bit, and we'll be done.
Sounds good.
Cool. Okay, Anthony, we are finished. Congratulations, man.
Thank you.
All right, so we were talking a little bit earlier, but be honest with everybody. How'd today go?
Yeah, no, I thought today went well. Everything was explained as the procedure was going, which is really helpful in managing anxieties. Won't lie to you, the first part of the numbing stuff was a little bit treacherous, but nothing terrible or painful.
Okay.
Really, the rest of the day went really smoothly. I have to say, I do have like a little bit of a headache, but it's not like what you might see here is not equitable to the pain. The pain is actually relatively minimal.
Yeah, it's manageable, even though it looks like a disaster.
Yes,
it's manageable.
yes,
right? Awesome.
yes.
Well, I'm going to zoom in. It's today went just beautifully. I mean, it couldn't have gone any better. We really packed it in. I love it. I think we did a nice combination of being subtle, but actually doing a lot of work on it, but not bringing it down too far. I think it's going to come in beautifully. And then on the top, we really packed it in the crown. Lots of hairs in there. So I'm excited. As we talked about before, the only part I don't like about my job is we got to wait a year to see the results. But otherwise, like you said, we're going to check in on you tomorrow.
Yes.
Have a safe trip home.
Thank you.
Welcome to the family.
Yes.
And hopefully we'll see you in a year. And, thanks for doing this, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Awesome.
Thank you, Dr. Blumenthal.
All right, man.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.